Hello, welcome back to another video, and in today's video, we're destroying this thing. It's a camera. It's not a camera. It's a digital alarm clock. I did a review on it. I'll put a link in the description. Go watch it, but it kind of broke while I was doing it. Yeah. So you can't really see the alarm anymore, because you're supposed to press the snooze button, and I don't know, it's a bad thing, don't buy it, but we're gonna destroy it, so. Not too much time talking about it, because if you want to learn more, go watch the whole video. You can kind of see it, so let's just get to destroying it. This is the quickest I've ever had anything just break. Huh. I don't know if you can see that, but the display was working. I swear, it was working for a minute. Oh, it's working. Oh, well, guess what? It still works. We can keep going. Where's the battery cover? Okay. Well, I've never had this happen before. I've never had it where the whole thing just does this the first time you hit it on the ground. Like, look, it's actually shattered in some areas. Can I fix it? Just put it... No, it's pretty broken. Come on. No, this was definitely not glass screen, it was plastic. Oh no, it was glass. At the underneath of it was glass. It was glass, so what? Just the top layer was plastic, I guess. Yeah, this is what you're touching. Well, you're not really supposed to be touching it. I just don't get what the point of this thing is. It's sticky. Was this just glued on there? It was just glued on there. It was just glued, see? It was just kind of stickied on there. But why would they put the plastic over the glass? Doesn't that just seem like a big waste of money? They covered the glass in the stupid flimsy plastic. If they had kept the glass, I would have said that this was better. It's nice to see that it was glass, although this was a terrible screen, and I still think that this was a terrible product and that nobody should buy it, but, you know. This is really one of the weirdest ever. Did it die? What happened? It was working. Where's the little... Guessing that was connected to the screen, and what's that thing do? Did it seriously just stop working? Okay, well, it still works, so now we just gotta go off of... Okay, it mildly works. I honestly was not thinking it would fall apart this easily. There's really not much left to it. I mean, you can see how it works. You press these buttons on the back and it pushes that, and then there's a snooze button, but it didn't hold up as well as I thought it would. And that just kind of proves how cheap it is, and that you really shouldn't buy this. Yeah. Don't buy this stuff, it's cheap. I guess I can't really put this video on much longer, because there's nothing really left to it except to really destroy it, so let's just see if it still works. For some reason, you gotta put this thing. Like, is it finally broken? Or does this piece have to, like, so? Well, it doesn't work anymore. So, bring my batteries back. That's pretty much the video. Next time, this has been Ice Dog for a Dog. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on, and I'll see y'all next time. Sorry if this video was a little short.